Hi peeps, it is your girl Kiki Monroe coming to you with a quick tutorial. So here you see that my hair is clearly like this teal blue, and I'm putting this color remover in because I am tired of this blue hair. So the L'Oreal pack I purchased from Sally's Beauty, it was like $5, and the lady told me to be careful as I put it on my head because it is strong. It does mix in. It looks like a normal bleach here, and I added tuning developer to it, mixed it really well so it's like a thin pancake mix. I put it on top of my blue hair, and automatically my eyes are watering because this stuff is strong, y'all. Like, you cannot leave it on past the 20 minutes that it tells you to, but automatically as soon as I applied it, I saw the color started to lift. I left it on for only 20 minutes. Make sure I set my timer and make sure I cover all edges of my hair. I love the blue, but I was tired of the blue at the same time. So yeah, I'm just checking, make sure I got all my spots covered, and every spot was covered. It did not burn my ear, which is great. Voila, all the blue is out except for around my ears just a little bit, but that's okay because I didn't want to stop there, of course. You all know I love my blonde hair, but right now I'm in a season of just doing whatever color I want to do right now, and I'm going to go from blonde to copper. So I got my HiColor by L'Oreal. I love it. Not HiColor, it's a HiColor, Lord. In the color of copper. This is my favorite thing to use. It dyes your hair without bleach. You just add the developer. You are not supposed to add filling developer, but that is me. I added a little bit too much developer, just a little bit too much, because it was hard for me to get my consistency right with my developer. It took a really long time for me to mix it together. I feel like I was mixing my product for at least a good 10 minutes to get all the clumpiness out, the chunks out of it, and to finally it became like a smooth paste. Finally, after working it really hard, I put it on my hair. Of course, this looks orange, not more so copper, but this is more orange undertones than red. And I'm looking at my hair as my mama do. It look orange or look copper? She's like, orange, girl. But nevertheless, it came out perfect. I added a little bit of the Dora color on top of it, the brown, arbor brown, and no, Cajun spice. And it came out perfect. Voila. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for being with me. I hope y'all have a great new year. Bye.